So is this actually happening? Got the SUPERDUKE out for the first time after trying to vlog here, man. I'm trying to talk to the people. You gotta change your shifter. Okay, let's turn left into here. Yo! I got my bike back for 3 seconds and I got spotted already. Thumbnail acquired. Anyway, so Ross was at the track day and he adjusted some stuff. Doesn't like it for street riding, so we're gonna go back and fix that. This chick doesn't know where she's driving. That's okay. Yeah, who knows. But guys, after a long time, guys, of being in my garage and then also subsequently Daisy Duke's garage, we got the coolant flush, the new hoses from OPP Racing, link in the description. We also have the rad was welded because it vibrated off. And yeah, that sound's gone now, that clinking sound. New tires, went with the Rosso Corsa 2, which is one of my favorites. What else did I do? Front brake pads, oil change, yep, thank you. All right, we're back. Wow. Riding on the old SUPERDUKE. It's been a hot minute. Does it look clean at least? Do I look good? What? Yeah, got the fresh hoses. Man, it's you know, guys, I work so much now, it's just tough to find the time to get in the garage and work on the old bike, and it's good to get it back. I've been borrowing his for the last 2 rides this year, so now I'm back on my old lady. Feels great with new tires. Gonna get them scrubbed in today and hopefully get some knee down, and then we're gonna go probably to out of the city and not even ride in the city today. So that's my kind of ride. Wake up. Yeah, just gotta finish that texting and goes into the right lane. Ooh, sounds good. Well guys, welcome to a very dead but very warm Alberta. So, what's up, ladies? And it's weird because it should be green by now, but because we just had so much snow in May, which sounds weird to say, end of April, beginning of May, it's just things are taking their sweet time to even get green. Oh man, it feels good with those fresh tires. The tip-in is just so tippy, you know? Smell of grass, and when I start to sneeze, oh yeah, my first corner, how do I even ride? Oh, they feel great. Oh man, I'm such a noob. Hey, your bike's a little faster than mine. Your wheels are clean, that's weird. We're so different. These guys are in like workout gear and open face helmets, and we're in full leathers, ready for a spanking. Dude, we look extra cool because we have the same bike, you know that, right? Like, that is extra. Dude, we have each an extra 5 horsepower, easy, because we have matching bikes. Dude, I've never seen your wheels so clean. It's really weird. It is really weird. Dirty. Oh, look at my tires. You can still see the Rosso Corsa. That's no... Oh, look at those chicken strips. Oh my god. Dude, I have chicken strips. Man, the bikes are out today. Chew. No, I wasn't nodding at you. I was just sneezing. Like, what? Who knows where this guy's going? Yo, what's up? Those matching bikes, boys. Okay, here we go. First white line race of the season. Fresh new tire. No excuses, no holdbacks. Okay, make sure you're okay. Make sure we're lined up. Okay. Okay. Prairie loop. Whoa. Dude, you actually won. I had such a bad, like, That was brutal. I never lose these things. Good job, dude. You're on point today. And with the wheelie, just had to show off. I like my girls like I like my wiener. Can't keep it down, keeps coming up. Woo! Your boy Snowcat is back. That's because my front tire like almost stops there, that's why. Oh, she's a little dusty. Oh man, she is looking hot. Oh cow. Moo! So for the first time ever. Yeah buddy. See ya. I can't wheelie. He's still going. Oh, some smoke. Oh, it's beautiful out here. We live in a beautiful country, that's for sure. It is cold for too much of the year, you know? This is where I live. Look at this. Oh, there's a guy with a trailer up there. Whoa! How did you get up there? Look! Well, look. There's a guy there and a guy up there, look. Yeah, where that red car is. No, you have to go back a little bit, and it's that gravel road to the right. You have to go all the way down and up. Yeah, we're doing that. About to embark on a journey to get up there for a photo. That looks sick. Up there, I need a douchey picture with my bike. Dude, according to the map, it is. Look. Yeah, this is a little bumpy. No wonder I didn't know about this. This is friggin' like, there's a whole sport bike bros, and look at us. Oh, Supermoto. Brap. And my bike's like catwalking from the ruts. Dude, I don't want my bike to be dirty, okay? Jeez. Hey, where'd you go? Okay, so Snowcat mauled by bears. Oh my god, look at this. I can just tell it's just getting nice. Hi guys. Oh dude, like look at that, like shot down low. That's gnarly. I've never been up here. These guys are making some food. We should go over there and just like, hey bros, I'm missing my dinner date, so can we eat with you? There's a cricket right here. I'm touching it literally. Oh, he's dead. That's kind of gross. Well, he's kind of like not jumping. There we go. Everyone's wearing their like their hiking shit, and we're just in our leathers, like walking around with our with my fresh rocks. I'm out of breath, dude. I'm fat. That was my hike from here to there, and I'm out of breath. Look at my. Well, how do they shift over? Look. Look, they shift over. So what we'll do is, if I can get 5 weights off you, I will pay you, and I'm going to remove those, clean it properly, mark it, and then put them back. Because they've once fell off, and then they've all moved, and they're not even straight. So that looks like amateur. No. What's the next 10 hour look like? There we go. Alright boys and girls, we're gonna hit into the city and then hit date night. So we'll talk with all y'all later. What a great day, man.